Help keep your community safe by reporting wild crocodile sightings to the Queensland Government using the free QWildlife app. Reporting crocodile sightings on QWildlife gets the right information straight to the crocodile management team so they can take appropriate action. Whether that's removing the crocodile, providing Croc-wise education, or using that information to better understand local crocodile populations. It's easy to use the app to report a sighting or see where crocodiles have been reported recently on an interactive map. However, if you prefer not to use the app, you can still submit and view sightings on the department's website or phone 1300 130 372. The best time to report a crocodile is as soon as safely possible after seeing it, especially if you think it poses a threat to people. You can also make a report on behalf of someone else. However, first-hand sightings are preferred. To make a report, simply select crocodile from the main menu, then tap Report a Sighting. First, you'll need to tell us if you or someone else saw it and what was seen: a crocodile, evidence of a crocodile, or both. Then you can add the date, time and location of the sighting. Next, you can identify what kind of crocodile was seen, if it was alive, and how big it was. If you're not sure, that's alright, a good guess is still helpful. The next section lets you describe what the crocodile did while it was being observed and gives you a chance to provide any extra information that could help us understand the situation. You can upload photos and videos to support your sighting if you have any. And finally, you can provide your contact details in case we need to follow up on the information provided. You can also choose to submit your sighting anonymously. Tap the tick in the corner to submit the report and you're done. You can still use the app to report sightings when you're out of reception. It will send all the information when you have internet access again. To view recent crocodile sightings, tap Sightings. Once the map loads, you can tap on any pin to view information on that particular sighting. The colour of the pin indicates the status of the sighting. Orange means it is under investigation. Green means the case has been closed. Red means we are targeting the crocodile for removal, and black means the crocodile has been removed. Once a sighting has been closed, it disappears from the map after 30 days. Remember, the map only displays where people have reported crocodile sightings. So just because an area doesn't have any reports, it doesn't mean there are no crocodiles. The map should not be used to determine if a place is safe or not. Crocodiles can be found anywhere there's water within their range, which is why it's always important to be Croc-wise. After you report a sighting, the information is assessed by a wildlife ranger and sent to the local operational team. Once this occurs, your sighting will appear on the map, where you can monitor its progress. Reporting a crocodile does not automatically mean it will be removed from the wild. While all reports are investigated, only crocodiles that meet certain criteria listed in the Queensland Crocodile Management Plan are targeted for removal. Crocodiles that are captured are taken to crocodile farms and zoos. The QWildlife app is free and available for iOS and Android. Visit the App Store or Google Play and simply search QWildlife.